We're going to make a Berlin potato soup, and I'm going to show you how we have to do that. Come, let me introduce you to the ingredients we require. So we have potatoes. Of course, we are going to make Berlin potato soup, so we require potatoes, bacon, some thyme, some meat poor, which is onion, celery, leeks, carrots, and of course some bay leaf and crushed peppercorns. So to begin with, on a medium heat, I'll render the bacon, so that the bacon can release all its fat and we can get the maximum flavor out of bacon. Now you can see that the bacon has become crispy. Now I will take it out in a plate and reserve it for the garnish. In the same pan, we will add just a touch of oil and begin sauteing our meat poor. So we'll add onion, celery, leeks and carrots and saute them lightly. So the purpose of sauteing in the same pan is that we can get the flavor of bacon in the meat poa as well. So now you can see that the meat poa has become translucent. It's time to add the potatoes along with herbs and bay leaf and cook for a minute. And now we will deglaze with white wine. So now it's time to add chicken stock and cook it till the time potatoes are cooked. So it's been 10 minutes that the potatoes have been cooking. It's time to take half the soup out and blend it. So now we have pureed half of the soup and we'll add back into the pan. As you can see that the natural starch present in the vegetables and potatoes have thickened the soup. So now we'll heat up the soup and it is ready to be served. So now a Berlin potato soup is ready and we have garnished it with cream and bacon along with some edible flowers.